Hello once again, this is Lance Liam and this is our second menu which is our shrimp chop suey. Ayan. So ito po yung ating chop suey. Ang bango. So ang gusto ko lang dito sa ating chop suey ay gusto kong half cook lang. Alright, so yun ang ating clam chowder soup. So this is our chop suey. And magluluto pa tayo ng chicken wings. Buffalo chicken wings. Yan. Wow, sarap ng ating chop suey. Alright, ayan ang ating chop suey. Yan ang ating dinner and that's our club chowder and this one. And then, magluluto tayo ng buffalo chicken. So, pwede na yan. So that's our dinner for tonight. And once again, this is Lance Liam. And happy Valentine's. Yan ay half cook. So ang gulay na nilagay ko lang dyan, it's Baguio pechay, broccoli, red pepper. So yun lang ang ating available. Alright. Imamarinate na natin yung buffalo wings. Thank you so much and have a nice day.